We've got the Spaniel Buns Pet Glove Wipes. These are amazing for just cleaning, maybe cleaning your dog's eyes, cleaning their ears, around their mouth. Could even, sometimes we need to clean his, the glands back here. Amazon might not let me use that word. They might not approve that video, but good for that as well. So I'm going to open up one of them right now. And also, if your dog's a little bit weird with this stuff, use treats. I got treats right next to me, and that, if you use treats, your dog will end up loving doing this. So these gloves, you take them out of the package, and they are nice, and they're wet. And also the ingredients are all natural ingredients, so that's amazing. But they're very wet, and they're just ready to clean. So you just take one, put it on, take another. I'm going to give him a treat actually before, just to let him know this is a happy experience. You're having fun right now. So I'm going to come right here, and he's going to be a little bit weird right now, but you're going to clean around the eyes and just sort of pull whatever's going on here. Good boy, Mr. Blah Blah. And then I'm actually going to come in the ear right here and do a little bit of cleaning in the ear. And he knows he's going to be getting a treat. So he's clean. He knows. See, if I didn't give him a treat, he may not be excited, but he knows, like, okay, I just sacrificed for the greater good of my health and my life. Now I'm getting a treat. So these gloves are amazing. They're very easy to use, and they are perfect.